isa dyan, what you like and why?
Big journey begin with a small step.
Why?
Siyempre, di ka makakarating sa tuktok kung hindi ka hahakbang ng una. So, maliliit lang muna. Kasi kung malaki, mukha kada yung paa mo. Chokes! Galing! Yeah. It's the little moment that makes life
isa-isa lang.
You know?
Uy, wait! Nasa pangalawa ka na. Bads, ikaw. You're next. Videoan mo nga siya. Pero sa atin lang naka-video, oh. Choose one and why.
Big journey begin with small steps.
Siya na lang ang nagsabi nun eh.
Ay, ganun ba? It's the little moments that make life big.
It's the little moments that make life big. Why?
Siyempre, di naman mabubuo yung malaki kung walang maliit.
Parang barya lang yan.
Parang barya lang yan.
Hindi mabubuo ang libo kung walang piso.
Tama!
Okay, ikaw, you choose and why.
Hindi totoo yun.
Ang alin?
Bubuo na yung pera ngayon.
You choose and why. Bilis. Ikaw na. Ikaw na, mamili ka.
Ano ba?
Maganda eh.
Kasama ba ako?
Oo, syempre.
Tanga na ka.
Mamili ka. Wag na to at saka wag na yun. Napili na yun.
Siya yung literal na reklamo mo.
Eh no, para sa atin yan no.
Ikaw nga.
Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you're done.
Why?
Because you have to do it. You have to you know.
Ako, very very short. Focus on the good. Yan ako. Focus on the good.
Bakit?
That's what I need to focus on the good.
Even though everything
even though
seems to be bad.
And seems to be bad and some things are falling apart. So you need to focus on the good side for you to be able to
To what?
you know. So you can adapt